We took a program to teach us how to do affiliate marketing. Taught us all of the skills, how to successfully market a product, how to monetize social media, how to drive traffic, how to convert leads. We took a training to learn all of these skills. Right. While we are working through the training, we became an affiliate for that company, because why not earn money while you're learning? That company pays us a 50% commission. It's a high ticket product. So your 50% commission equates to $1,000 to $5,000 per sale. So when someone's scrolling our new social media pages where we don't promote to friends and family because we didn't sync our contacts, they're interested in what we're talking about. They want to learn these skills too. They want to make $1,000 to $5,000 per sale. They join the program through our link. We get paid a commission by the company. There's no MLM, there's no upline or downline or teams. It's not a pyramid scheme. The company is thanking us by paying us a commission for referring other people to them. Right. We're not being pushy. We're not being salesy. It's not our product. We don't handle the payments or the customer service or inventory or shipping or anything. We are just promoting a company that we invested in, that we love and we use on a daily basis, and the company is thanking us by paying us a commission. Yep. So when people don't understand that, where in there is it not legit? Yeah. I would love for somebody to tell me. Right.